Papa! You're in my video. I pranked you.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. God, you better get me off it.
Story of my life. Okay, so day 2 of shooting the cooking show. And I am about to do a look that's one of my favorites that I did for my Rare Beauty. Well, you'll see what it looks like. Doing my own makeup was so hard for so many years because I've had the pleasure of working with really great makeup artists, so it's something that I'm not very good at, but it is something that I have learned, and I wanted to create a line where it was able for people like me. So obviously during quarantine, I will have to do my own hair and makeup, which is a fun challenge. So since I will be doing the show, I'm gonna put on a little more than I usually would. The trick with my foundation is that it's actually really light and you don't need to use a lot. That is why I use the dot system. Did I just make that up? There's no such thing as a dot system. I'm gonna do a concealer next. Again, I like to use this along my eye. And then apply it to the areas where you have a lot of discoloration or pimples. And then just kind of do a little bit of a soft circle action to the end. I would say doing my makeup for the show is very scary. Just because I get so used to and so comfortable with working with people and trusting that they know it will look good, but it's quarantine. With my blush, all of my products, a little bit goes a long way. That's my papa. He's building things and he's in my attic, so. Okay. Next, I will do my brows. And just fill in. Papa! Come on in. Good morning. Hey, thank you.
Nope.
I love you.
Me too.
Next is liquid eyeliner.
So Selena and Alia, can you run by here? We got water sitting up in the attic up there by where the air conditioning ducts is. Oh, everything's not.
You're in my video. I pranked you.
You better not have.
You didn't even know I was filming.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. God, you better get me off that. You better delete ever.
You haven't deleted it all? Nope.
Yeah.
The whole world is gonna see that.
Oh my God.
Story of my life. I love them. I don't know if that's even. Sure? Best. All right. Done. Highlighter. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Righty.